Well, hello, these people.
Sup, it's people.
Okay, and I'm Mr. Nelan.
I'm Sandy.
Okay, Mr. Sandy.
It's Sandy. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
it's
okay.
Sandy.
So we're gonna have a news section
Yeah,
about taking a moral lesson from a
story.
story.
Yeah.
Right? We're gonna talk in English and sometimes we talk in bahasa
Bahasa.
Indonesia. It's okay.
It's okay,
Mixed
little,
language.
little, it's okay.
It's okay.
We will mix between Indonesia and English.
English. Alright.
It's okay, no problem with that.
Okay, this is our first.
Take.
Take.
For
First
the
episode.
first episode. Yeah.
Alright.
episode.
So
From
what we
this
are
season.
going to talk today.
Today we will talk about the King Sisyphus. That's King Sisyphus, bro.
Sisyphus is a king, right?
Yeah, he's a king, bro.
Oh.
From the story in what do you know? In a Roman. Oh no,
Roman
the
or
Greek,
myth?
Greek
Greek, right.
mythology or something
Oh,
like that.
okay.
When Zeus, Poseidon, and the one who in the hell who?
I don't know, I
Lo-
forgot.
Zeus, Poseidon, Hades.
Hades.
Still in the what's it? Rule the world. Zeus.
In Greek mythology.
Yeah, in Greek mythology, Zeus, Lord of the sky, Poseidon, Lord of the sea, and then Hades, Lord of the underworld.
Mhm.
That we know also like hell.
Okay. So singkat cerita,
Yeah, we talk about the Sisyphus.
Okay,
Why the
Sisyphus.
Why we talk about
I
Sisyphus?
just know that Sisyphus is a king actually.
He's a king, bro. He's a
Oh.
king. He's a king actually.
Jadi dia tuh raja,
Raja, man.
tapi
Raja. Smart,
smart,
Smart.
pintar, king, smart, and also
genius, and you can say like
Tricky.
you know.
tricky.
It's like Loki, you know.
Yes, tricky bahasa Indonesia apa sih?
Licik,
Licik.
ada gitu licik gitu.
Ya, licik. Tricky.
Pintar tapi licik dia gitu.
So what we are going to tell about Sisyphus? What happened to him?
Short brief aja ya.
Yeah.
Short
Long
brief.
story short.
Long story short.
Hmm.
Ya, long story short.
Mhm.
Sisyphus deceive
Deceive.
the god so many times.
What is deceive in bahasa?
Deceive is apa ya? Menipu.
Tricking.
Iya, tricking, benar.
Menipu dewanya.
Iya, can you imagine a human tricking the god?
Mm-mm.
Wow.
And then?
Because Zeus sent the dead
Mhm.
or Thanatos at that time.
Dewa kematian.
Yes,
Ke
to get the
Sisyphus.
Sisyphus.
Gemes gitu.
Yeah, because he's kind of tyrant sih.
Oh.
And Zeus, and at that time the first thing why Thanatos is sent, because Sisyphus when Zeus become an eagle and
Oh, Zeus.
kidnap a woman.
Kidnap is menculik.
Yes, kita menculik a woman, the daughter of the earth god gitu lah, something like that gitu tuh.
And
Earth
then?
god gitu, and then Sisyphus lihat when the eagle took the daughter of the ini apa?
It's a human. Yang diculik itu human.
Ya, karena
Manusia.
anaknya dewa kayak gitu lah, semacam dewa bumi gitu yang
Hmm.
dimana bisa
And
bawa
then?
inilah, bawa ini ibaratnya salah satu kesuburan di ini juga
Iya.
dewa tuh dia. Tapi tidak terkenal seperti yang dewa-dewa mayor kayak Zeus dan lain-lain yang tinggal di atas, ya beda.
Hmm.
Diculik dan si dewa nanya, "Do you know where's my daughter?"
Hmm.
Sisyphus said, "I know, but my land is on chaos. It's dry, but if you want me to tell you where your daughter is, please make my land
Jadi ada
prosper."
dewa nyari anaknya.
Iya.
Wah, anaknya culik.
Anaknya diculik.
Kata Sisyphus, gue tahu nih.
Dan emang tahu, dia lihat.
Iya.
When
Kalau mau
dia
kasih
ini,
tahu,
tolong bikin tanah saya subur
oh,
gitu.
karena si dewa ini bisa memberikan
Iya, kesuburan ke tanahnya. Nah, akhirnya dikasih kesuburan dan dikasih tahu. Ah,
And then
disitulah.
Sisyphus told
told itu, and then like long story short, pokoknya udah aja.
Iya.
Di skip lah itu bagian itunya, bagian gimana sama dewa sama Zeus, urusan dewa lah itu ya.
Iya.
Nah, karena itu Zeus akhirnya marah. Ini anak apaan sih gitu? Wah, cepu gitu.
Iya.
Wah,
Spill.
Iya, cepu nih, spill nih.
Iya.
Asik lu gitu ya.
Ah.
Spill.
And then,
Tadi Zeus sent Thanatos, the god of death.
wah gara-gara lu
Iya, gara-gara dia nih,
ketahuan, tangkep
gue
dia.
nih, tangkep gitu tuh.
And then ditangkep lah.
No.
Nggak ditangkep itu.
Mau ditangkap.
Mau ditangkap.
But
What happened?
he tricked the god of the angel of the dead.
Oh,
Thanatosnya tuh
dia disuruh nangkep tapi ditipu lagi.
Ditipu lagi si ininya si siapa dewa kematian ditipu lah sama orang loh.
Iya.
Hey, ditipu
Gimana
loh.
itu gimana? How?
At that time tuh dia udah oke deh. Oh, Thanatos ya. Oh, you are the angel of death ya.
Mau nangkep gue
Oh
ya?
iya. Oh, you are want to ini take my life ya. Oh, okay then I will put all my ini then all my belonging. Dan and then like you are one of the good figure god lah kata si Sisyphus
Ya,
itu.
sugar coating lah.
Yes,
Oh, lu baik
lu,
gitu.
lu tuh wah, gue tuh keren sama lu tuh
Gitu.
keren, you are good.
Mau ditangkap dia puji-puji.
Dipuji.
Nah.
Terus nih aku punya I have namanya itu dibilang
What is
tuh
it?
aksesori gitu.
Nah,
Can you try this accessory? I will be happy if you use it. Dipakailah.
pakailah tuh
Biar
aksesoris tuh.
ternyata
Nah.
di situ ada concealment-nya di mana dia tuh ada buat ibaratnya pas dia dipakai concealment itu ada rantainya.
What is concealment?
Apa ya? Ditutup lah ibaratnya gitu tuh.
Nah.
Apa sih kayak di
Ya pokoknya dijebak,
dijebak,
terpakai, malah kerantai.
Iya, malah kerantai jadinya.
Buset.
Dan itu as we imagine if the god of the angel of death nggak bisa kemana-mana, terjebak apa yang what happened to the world. No
Ya.
one dead.
Oh,
No one dead.
gitu.
No one dead.
Jadi
Can you
si
imagine?
Zeus nyuruh dewa kematian.
Iya.
Tangkap tuh Sisyphus.
Iya.
And then Sisyphus trick
Iya,
Him.
the Thanatos.
Thanatos. Ditipu lah Thanatos.
And then
Terkunci lah dia.
Terkunci lah dia dan and no
Jadi
one
di
dead
dunia
after
nggak
that.
ada yang mati.
Nggak ada yang mati, semua ribet.
Gara-gara dewa kematiannya
Iya,
ditahan.
Iya, can you imagine?
Hmm.
People on the war, no
Chaos.
one dead.
Makin banyak, makin
iya,
banyak.
Every people gitu tuh.
Iya, iya, iya.
War. No
Perang
one dead.
nggak ada yang mati.
Ada yang mati. Ares ngamuk dong. Hey, saya bikin perang tuh for see you
I see.
dead.
Ares itu dewa,
Dewa
perang.
Dewa perang.
Tapi perang nggak ada yang mati.
Nggak ada yang mati. Gue, what? Why? Terus yang sakit-sakit
Nggak ada yang mati.
No one's dead after that. How you can imagine the situation?
Oke, then what happened? Akhirnya
And then-
gimana tuh si Sisyphus?
Ares free.
Ares free.
Because Ares angry, right?
Gue kesel nih.
Iya.
Gue dewa perang tapi
Perang
perang
tapi
ada yang
kok
mati.
perang nggak ada yang mati.
Akhirnya
Why?
dewa kematian dibebasin sama Ares.
Enggak, dewa kematian di dewa kematiannya
Hah?
dibebasin sama si Ares yang dimana
Hah?
dewa perang.
Hmm.
Akhirnya akhirnya beneran si Thanos ini ketemu lagi sama Sisyphus. Akhirnya oke fine.
Oke.
Bring me to the
Udah
underworld.
lah,
Oke,
udah
udah
lah,
nyerah.
oke.
Aku udah nyerah. Oke, I will.
Oke, ini pinter ya.
Oh, smart man. This is the first one ya. First one loh. Ini first one
I
loh.
love
First
Sisyphus.
one loh.
Oke.
Take to the underworld.
Bawa dia ke neraka gitu lah.
Ya,
Negeri bawah neraka.
but before that thing, bentar. Kalau nggak salah tuh, no, dia tuh bukan nyerah. At that time tuh bukan nyerah. After they know, after he know the god of Thanatos di freein sama Ares, dia minta istrinya tuh ngelemparin dia lah. Lemparin dia dari gedung istana, dia langsung mati.
Si siapanya?
Si Sisyphusnya.
Sisyphusnya tuh orang lemparin gua.
Iya.
Mati.
Kemarin gue mati tuh. Dor.
Tuh.
Dan-
Dilempar sama istrinya.
Iya.
Buset.
Kasarnya apa ya? Dan there is no proper burial at that time.
Oh iya.
Jadi biasanya kan
Oh,
kalau
jelas.
at that time if someone dead there's a proper burial. Jadi ibaratnya beneran dikuburin dengan hormat gitu. Ini tidak.
Walaupun raja.
Lo raja loh.
Oke.
Tidak. Oke, and then go to the underworld ketemu sama istrinya Hades.
Who's Hades?
Persephone.
Oke, long story short. Udahlah kena hukuman lah.
Hukuman.
Nanti kita mungkin cerita itu di
Itu yang lain, itu
in line
the next
story.
time lah.
Iya.
Pokoknya
Kena
udah
hukuman di Sisyphus sama
Iya,
Zeus.
pokoknya udahlah, itu udah
Iya.
trik itu spill aja nanti penanti guys, seperti
Iya,
nanti
oke.
aja ya. Itu
Ketemu
story
di
of Sisyphus.
nerakanya tuh,
Udahlah,
ketemu nanti.
at the time Indian, udah semua tuh trik-triknya udah kena, dia udah besar lagi. Indian,
Hukumannya apa?
Hukumannya adalah
Itu cuma gara-gara spill.
iya, saat itu iya dimulai
Karena
dari
gara-gara
spill,
cepu.
iya gara cepu aja itu.
Iya. Terus apa itu?
Dia
hukumannya?
mendorong batu ke atas bukit.
Ya, pas gunung.
Oh ya, bukit gunung ya?
Something like that.
Something like that. Either it's kind of mountain or hill.
Iya, and then
He push it
the
it
rock
until the
the top.
But
Hmm?
every time
Mhm.
he push it
every time he reach the top,
almost reach the top,
almost.
the boulder go back.
Batunya grinding lagi.
Yes, go back, rolling
Itu lebih
back.
sakit ketika lebih sakit daripada udah nyampe di puncak sih. dikit lagi
lo berundung. Yes, that's the
Yeah,
but in the
kecewa,
end,
man.
but in the end he do it again and again and again. Because he
berundung
know.
lagi ke
Iya,
bawah, and then push
push
again,
again, and then again,
go
and
back
again, and again.
Jadi naik turun gunung itu,
Yes.
dorong,
Push,
udah
gelundung
mau
lagi,
cepat, gulung lagi.
dia turun lagi, go back to the down lagi,
Yeah, and then push
bouldernya
again.
push lagi. That's the eternal damnation. That's it. People say like,
hukuman seumur hidupnya dia.
yes, hukuman neraka itu dia. Itu
So-
karena banyak tricking dewa-dewa tadi yang what we call is only like 1 or 2-nya. Or 3 times dia tricking gitu.
The question is, he never surrender.
Yeah,
Terus
because
aja gitu udah jatuh, tetap aja dia kayak gitu.
because in the end after what he do ya, in his life before gitu. In the end this is the thing that ya udahlah gitu.
Terima aja gitu.
Ya, mau gimana? This is the
Pasrah dia.
sebenarnya not that pasrah actually.
Do you think Sisyphus happy?
In the end, like it or not, happy or not, in the end he will do it with happy sih.
Ah.
Because there's nothing he can do again.
Okay.
Come on, he's in hell. He's
And
in
he is,
hell.
that's his responsibility.
Yeah, that's
Udahlah gua terima.
that's it. And I will do it. We just probably pikir like wah he will be apa namanya suffering, menderita or apa
Udah capek-capek,
sad.
gagal lagi.
Iya, feel. But in the end, I know in 1 or 2 point he will accept. He accept if that's the destiny.
Accept ya.
Accept, but still. he's
Pada
still
akhirnya
doing
Sisyphus
it.
nerima aja.
Iya, nerima.
Udahlah,
But
it's okay.
in the end tadi he didn't stop.
Iya.
Still, he always trying
to push again,
Ingat,
failed again.
pasrah, but didn't really pasrah apa pasrah in Indonesia? In English.
What's it?
Surrender,
nyerah gitu ya.
but didn't stop trying.
Yeah.
That's the thing that we can take
I
from
know
the
it's tired, but yeah, that's
yeah, he
that
can do
I
it
can
again
do.
and again and again. Yes, that's the other thing he can do.
Yeah.
At least he's always trying, even though sometimes that it be like
Yep. And Sisyphus
Yeah.
know the result. In the end, the boulder will come back
we
to
come
the
back
down.
to the down because it's the curse
Yeah.
and the punishment also.
Itu ya moral value-nya.
Yes.
Even we know we will what is it?
Yeah.
Fail.
We will,
but we can do
in
it
the
again.
end, there is nothing wrong with the
The trial.
Yeah, the trial, bro. Because when you are surrender, it means you have one outcome.
What is that?
Fail.
Fail. You try also fail.
You try so also fail,
but
there is
can reach
two.
the succeed.
No.
Oh yeah.
There is
I
two option.
understand. Yeah, two options.
Two option, bro.
If you try,
You try and then you fail,
uh-uh.
or you try and you succeed. That's the thing.
If you surrender, you only
You
have
only get
option.
one outcome. Only fail if you didn't try.
Nice.
But if you try,
Interesting.
you probably fail.
Either you
But-
succeed or fail.
Yeah, but you probably succeed too. We have two option.
Alright.
And that's what makes Sisyphus do it again and again.
Okay.
That's the thing.
That's it.
He will wish that one day rock will reach up the mountain or the hill.
Berharap
Yeah.
maybe
one
maybe
day.
one day.
We never know gitu
bisa
kan.
nyampe puncak gitu.
But in the end ya, the thing is trying.
Yep.
Better than do nothing.
Okay. Thank you. That's it. See you in the next story.
Next story.
Bye bye.
Bye.